giveaway I won just got here, and I wanted to share with you all what I won. If you follow me on Instagram, you already know what this is, but if not, let's take a look. I won this off of Instagram from Luxury Personal Shopper. I'll leave their link down below. Any guesses as to what this might be? Leave your comments down below. So here it is. This is actually really pretty in person. I've never seen this canvas before. This is the front. This is the monogram reverse canvas card holder, and it has a total of 3 card slots, and it is just so pretty. It is much prettier in person. I really do like this. This is a beautiful giveaway that I won. Thank you so much to Luxury Personal Shopper. I'll leave their Instagram page link down below. And I just love it, and it's so pretty. But my husband also likes it too. He asked me right now if he could have it, so I'm going to go ahead and give it to him. This is actually going to be his first LV item, so I'm happy for him. And thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment. It means the world. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.